At CapitalXtend, every legacy begins with a vision and becomes impact. What started as a dream became a global financial powerhouse, connecting traders and partners across continents. Today, CapitalXtend stands as a name trusted by millions, known for resilience, reliability, and respect. At the heart of our success stands Dr. Farouk Adib, a visionary shaping a global ecosystem, a leader whose excellence and integrity earned global recognition. Our most valuable asset has never been capital. Offering spreads from 0.0, leverage up to 1 to 5,000, and over 350 tradable instruments, we empower every trader to reach beyond limits. With advanced offerings like copy trading, Forex VPS, and cutting-edge technology, your success is always within reach. $1 million in client fund insurance ensures every trade is backed with confidence. Our account types cover every level of expertise, giving beginners and professionals the right tools to trade with confidence. This year, we didn't just grow, we conquered milestones worth remembering. Bonuses, cashback rewards, global contests, supporting success. Together, we built bridges of growth, stronger with every connection. With 120,000 trusted partners worldwide and over $10 million paid out, we celebrate a legacy of transparency and loyalty. 5 years of ambition, resilience, and relentless pursuit of progress. As markets evolve, we lead the charge into the next frontier. The future won't wait. To our traders, partners, and teams, thank you for writing this story with us. Here's to new dreams, new victories, and new heights. Happy New Year 2026 from CapitalXtend.